In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Gumroad. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up your ebook product from start to finish so that it's ready for customers to buy and download. First, head over to your Gumroad dashboard and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option labeled Products in the menu and click on it. This is where all of your existing and future products are managed. On the products page, you'll see a button that says New Product. Click on that to start creating a brand new listing for your ebook. A setup window will appear, asking for some basic information. Begin by typing in the name of your ebook. Choose a clear, compelling title that matches what buyers will see on your cover and in your marketing. Next, select the product type. Make sure you choose ebook, so Gumroad treats it correctly as a digital download. Now, enter the price you want to charge. You can always adjust this later, but set something that reflects the value of your content. When you're happy with the basics, scroll to the top right of the page and click Next Customize to move into the customization options. Here, start by adding an in-depth product description. Describe what the ebook covers, who it's for, and what results or benefits readers can expect. Below that, you'll see a field for the product URL. Customize this to something short and memorable, ideally related to your title. In the cover section, click Upload Images or Videos to add your ebook cover. Then, in the thumbnail section, click Upload to add a smaller image that will show up in listings and previews. Scroll down to the product info section. Open the call to action dropdown and choose the phrase you want on your main button, such as buy this or get this. In the summary field, add a short, punchy overview of your ebook. You can also include any additional details below, like what's included, page count, or formats. In the integration section, decide whether you want to invite customers to a Gumroad community chat, a Circle community, or a Discord server by toggling those options on. Next, in the pricing section, choose whether customers can pay what they want, pay in installments, or automatically apply a discount code. In the versions section, decide if you want multiple versions of your ebook, such as different formats or tiers. Then, in the settings section, choose options like limiting product sales or allowing customers to choose a quantity. At the very bottom, you can also add your domain if you're using a custom one. When everything looks good, click Save and Continue. On the content page, click into the content field to add your actual ebook. You can paste the text, add pages with the plus page button, format your content, add hyperlinks, and insert images as needed. Once your content is fully added and formatted, you're ready to go live. Click Publish and Continue, and your ebook will be available for people to buy on Gumroad.